Questrade Edge is Questrade's advanced trading platform designed for active traders seeking powerful tools and features. Here's how to use Questrade Edge effectively. Access Questrade Edge. Download and install. Visit the Questrade website to download and install Questrade Edge on your computer. Login. Open the application and log in with your Questrade account credentials. Set up your workspace. Customize layout. Arrange your workspace with multiple windows for charts, watch lists, and order entry to suit your trading style. Add widgets. Include widgets such as news feeds, market summaries, and real-time data to stay informed. Utilize advanced charting tools. Interactive charts. Use charts with a range of technical indicators, drawing tools, and customizable timeframes for detailed market analysis. Historical data. Analyze historical data to identify trends and make informed trading decisions. Place and manage orders. Order types. Execute trades using market, limit, stop, and other advanced order types. Use the order entry panel for quick and precise order placement. Order management. Track and manage open orders, view order history, and make adjustments as needed. Monitor and analyze markets. Real-time data. Access live quotes, news, and financial data to monitor market movements. Alerts and notifications. Set up alerts for price changes, news events, or technical signals to stay proactive. Review and optimize. Trade analysis. Use performance metrics and trade reviews to evaluate your strategies and optimize trading decisions.